car's all loaded up. And we're gonna head to the scrapyard. I got some parcels I gotta get sent out. And I got some new dumpster gloves. Yeah. That was a dumpster find. They're kids, but they fit perfect for me, so. Oh, and it's melting. It's a good day for a scrap run. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Definitely a little tired today, but I'm pushing through and it's so worth it. So let's get to the scrapyard. So we'll get this unloaded. Yeah, I hope everybody's having a great day so far. I stopped and I talked to Russ and we got those bits, so I'm super stoked. I'm gonna show you those in a little bit. Let's get this unloaded. All done. Big transport coming next to me. So I'm gonna go get my ticket and I hope everybody's having a great day. This is so fun. I love when I get my car empty again so I can get it filled up. Have a great day. I gotta wait. I'm gonna let him back up. He's going first. go. We had to wait for a transport to back up, but he's bigger, so I'll wait. I'm gonna head in. I'm gonna get my receipt and my money for that shred that we got out of that dumpster. So it was all just shred. Let's see what we get. I'm excited.
Oh jeez, that's just too much.
Did you read the instructions?
Oh my god.
Dad.
It gets louder the second it goes beep. Okay, we'll try this again.
Yeah. Hey everyone. So we're all back from the scrapyard.
Woo!
Yeah. We got that all unloaded and I had a blast. I don't know if everybody else does, but when I go to the scrapyard, I have a blast. I enjoy myself. I get to talk to people and it's fun. So today, one of the guys that works there, his name is Russ, he actually ran into us a couple days ago.
Yep.
And he's donating us tools to further our channel and to further our scrap dream.
For the dream right here.
Oh, so awesome.
Thank you, Russ. Check these out, guys. These are just awesome little sets.
Now, he's all about the e-scrap.
Yeah,
so
he does lots of e-scrap.
he told us, you know, that definitely he wanted to donate these so that we can continue the e-scrap
Check
route.
that out. Those are so cool. And this one's for like tablets and cell phones.
To take the screens off.
Yes, he's got the little plastic tools and stuff. But
That-
yeah, check that out, guys. Right on.
I know, I'm speechless at that. I didn't think it was gonna be like
So
cool.
cool. That's awesome.
I'm stoked.
And then
And double score.
double score, guys. Check it out. We got $26.40, and we only brought in our shred, and it was only 220 pounds. Now I thought there might have been about 200 pounds, so that was right on. And we got paid $26.40 for 220 pounds. Like, that is right on. And
Yeah.
we kept all the wire that she got last night.
All the aluminum.
All the
We still
aluminum.
gotta take apart some of the signs.
Yeah, we still got to take a part of some stuff, but
The small business sign, we're keeping.
yeah, probably keep
I think
that.
that's just awesome.
Yeah. But yeah, we scored. We got to put a little bit of stuff away. So
Well, and the majority of stuff that we brought in today,
yeah,
I got last night.
last night. Oh yeah, absolutely.
So, you know, even though little man didn't want to go to bed till later and everything, you know, I still pushed.
Yeah.
I told myself, who cares about sleep? Like, need to get that scrap. So,
Got coffee for that.
coffee.
It makes it easier.
And anybody with a toddler, you know.
But yeah, we got a little bit of cash. We got some wicked tools for the dream. Thanks again, Russ. Those are gonna come in handy big time.
And thank you for subscribing also.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And if you aren't subscribed to the channel and you like scrap runs and dumpster diving and thrift store, and we'll eventually be going to garage sales and stuff as it starts to warm up here and get nicer.
Well, and construction is starting to amp up with spring, so
But if you haven't already subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And yeah, everybody just keep pushing your dream out there.
every day you can. Just keep pushing, and you never know where it's gonna bring you.
You never know where it's gonna bring you guys. And have fun.
Have a blast.
Always have fun.
Thank you so much for being here, and keep pushing.
Whenever your heart is broken.